Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Hollow Knight Silksong not launching or not opening. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just go to your desktop and choose your launcher that you're using. Close your game, or just here click on the manage and go to the files. Here click browse. So it doesn't matter which launcher you use, just go to the files and find the Hollow Knight Silksong. Go to the content. And here you'll see Game Launcher Helper and Hollow Knight Silksong. Right click it, click on Properties, click Compatibility, and make sure to check Run Windows 7 and click Apply. Okay. Here on the Game Launcher, of course, click on the Properties, Compatibility, and make sure to turn Compatibility mode. Click Apply, and that's pretty much it. Here, make sure to run as administrator, and now your game should run fine. If that doesn't work, just try to repair your files. So verify your files like this, verify and repair, and that should fix your problem. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.